Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Finally, I'm uploading another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm here today with the 2019 Mazda Miata RF. It's a small refresh with a couple big changes. One of the big major changes is the engine. It's bumped up now to 181 horsepower, which is about 26 horsepower more than the 2018, and 151 pound-feet of torque, which is about 3 or so torque more, pound-feet more than the previous car. Again, a couple other changes. You now have a backup camera located right here in the bumper. The exhaust and muffler is a bit reworked, which may also help increase the power. Also, the red line is now up from 6,800 to 7,500 RPM. This car is currently for sale at Warner Mazda in Manchester, New Hampshire. And I mean, the spec on this car is absolutely amazing. This one does feature the automatic transmission, but of course you can get it in a 6-speed manual, which is the way I would go. You have body color on the top part of the door with the dark brown leather, which is absolutely beautiful, with your Bose surround sound on the headrests. Once you're inside, it's a very, very nice place to be, and I really cannot complain about this car at all. It is such an awesome car. Almost all the features in the 2018 Miata have retained over to the 2019. Not much has changed feature-wise. The cup holders, there was a rework to make them easier to get in and out. You have 2 spots here, as well as one right here in the passenger footwell. Alright, so let's go ahead, put our seatbelts on, and take this car for a spin. I am gonna run windows up, keep the wind noise down. Oh, a Del Sol. You never see those things. It's pretty cool. So a couple things I've noticed right off the bat is just how smooth the ride is for a sports car. I daily drive the Focus ST, as many of you have seen, and that's a rough ride, very rough ride for a car, where this is very comfortable. It's a nice place to be, and it's a fun little car. Go ahead, put it in manual mode here, and we'll give it a quick little try. This car is a riot. It sounds great for a sports car, and it really has a great, nice sound to it. wind noise is pretty bad, so I'm just gonna pull in here and put the roof up. Alright, to do so, I'm gonna put the windows down just to save the hassle. Push this button down here. And you get a beep to know that everything's all set. Let's get some AC going. It is hot today. Try the turning radius here. Wow, that's very good. A lot better than the ST, and especially the Focus RS. Ooh, that was aggressive. I'm sorry. There we go, that's a bit better. Well, that stinks, because now I'm stuck at this red light for a full section. That's actually a good place to hold the key, to be honest. Alright, so my overall feelings of the car. It's still an awesome car, and the power, the higher red line, it all makes it such an unbelievable car. It's honestly, if you're looking in the 30 or 40 grand max budget and you want a fun car to be able to take out to your autocross events, or to just have fun on a back road, I really think this is one of the best all-around sports cars I have ever driven. And it's just the feeling you get when you drive a Miata is unlike any other car I've ever driven. And as you see on the channel, I've driven so many cars. And you don't have the power of the ST. You don't have the turbo feel. It's not a fast car, but it sure is one of the most fun cars I have ever driven. I highly suggest you give the guys at Warner Mazda a call and pick yourself up one of these magnificent automobiles. So thank you so much for watching, and please just stay tuned. I'm gonna be going to college, so videos, we'll see what happens, but I'll try my best to provide content for you guys. Especially when winter hits, you'll definitely see some Focus ST winter videos. I'll tell you how it performs in the snow. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, everyone.